We got a flat tire, I think. What are we gonna do?
We have to fix the tire. We have to drive it for 2 more hours. We have to drive for 544 miles. We got to drive it for 2 and 4 hours. We have to do it for 4 hours.
Hours? Okay.
Hours. Me and I can. It's